The high-ticket hunt, more than just luck. Did you know that most businesses struggle to find high-paying clients? It's a common challenge. Many rely on expensive ads that don't always work. What if there was a better way? Imagine attracting clients who value your expertise and are ready to invest. This is the power of generating free leads that convert. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. Finding and converting high-paying clients requires a different approach. It's about building relationships, not just chasing transactions. Many businesses make the mistake of targeting everyone. Instead, focus on a specific niche. Understand their needs and tailor your message accordingly. This targeted approach will make your marketing more effective and attract the right clients. Networking is not just about collecting business cards. It's about creating meaningful relationships that can lead to mutual growth and opportunities. It's about building genuine connections that go beyond the surface level. Attend industry events, engage in online communities, and reach out to potential clients. Be proactive in your approach, and always look for ways to connect with others. Provide value in every interaction. Whether it's through sharing insights, offering support, or simply listening, make sure you leave a positive impact. Share your knowledge, offer helpful advice, and demonstrate your expertise. This not only helps others but also establishes you as a thought leader in your field. When you consistently provide value, people see you as a trusted advisor. They will turn to you for guidance and support, knowing that you have their best interests at heart. This builds credibility and makes them more likely to choose you when they're ready to buy. Your reputation as a reliable and knowledgeable professional will precede you, opening doors to new opportunities and lasting partnerships. Section 4. Content is king, consistency is queen. Content marketing is a powerful way to attract high-paying clients organically. It's not just about creating content, but about creating the right content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and desires. Create valuable content that educates, entertains, and inspires your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates, or solves a problem for your target audience. Address their pain points and provide actionable solutions that they can implement. Share your insights through blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts. Diversify your content to reach a wider audience and keep them engaged. Be consistent with your content and promote it on social media and other relevant platforms. Consistency helps in building a loyal audience who look forward to your content. When your content resonates with your ideal clients, it not only attracts them but also keeps them coming back for more. It builds trust and positions you as an authority in your field. Over time, this trust translates into loyalty and long-term business relationships. Section 5. Your secret weapon: building a referral network. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful. It's one of the most trusted forms of marketing because people trust recommendations from those they know. Encourage satisfied clients to refer your services to their network. A personal recommendation can carry more weight than any advertisement. Offer incentives for referrals and make it easy for them to spread the word. This could be in the form of discounts, free services, or other rewards that motivate them to share their positive experiences. Testimonials and case studies are also valuable forms of social proof. They provide real-world examples of how your services have benefited others, making it easier for potential clients to trust you. Showcase the results you've achieved for other clients to build trust and credibility. Highlight specific outcomes and success stories to demonstrate your expertise and reliability. By leveraging the power of referrals and social proof, you can generate a steady stream of high-quality leads without spending a dime on ads. This approach not only saves you money, but also builds a community of loyal clients who advocate for your business.